Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use the couriers in the Glovo as your delivery guys for anything, literally anything that you want in the Glovo application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing: please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Glovo application here. I've created a brand new account only for these videos, so I don't have anything in order yet or customized yet, but we're gonna get this three together. Well, what you're gonna do is click on custom deliveries here at the main page. It's these six little uh, circles is the bottom one, custom deliveries, and here click on courier is the left one. Here you can tell the delivery guy about what you are going to deliver to where, from where. As you can see here, you can choose where from or where to. You can schedule it. You can add your phone number and everything else. It will be around. I don't think it's a fixed price, but yeah, guys, this is how you deliver anything to anywhere in the Glovo application. Thanks for listening. See you in the next.